Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date with all of the new videos that I will be posting. Today we are going to be doing a first impressions demo on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation that just recently launched. I did pick up two shades, which would be 510 and 540W. So the foundation was $38 and I did order mine from the website. It is in stores at Ulta now, so you can get it in stores and online on their website, and I'll have links down in the description box down below. Let's get into talking about the foundation and the packaging and things like that. So the packaging for this foundation was fairly simple. This is what the box looks like, and it just says foundation on the side. On the other side, it lists all of the characteristics about the formula. So I'm just gonna read the box. It says that it is vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, is suitable for sensitive skin, long wearing, and no flashbacks. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle pump foundation, and it just says Anastasia Beverly Hills on the front, and then it says foundation on the back. So it's fairly simple. Like I said, I did get 510W and 540W, and they are both warm undertone foundations. I'm also going to read some more characteristics about the foundation straight off the website. So it does come in 50 shades, and it is a water resistant luminous foundation that leaves a natural finish. So the formula is a medium coverage. I did build it up a little bit to become a full coverage without going overboard, and I think it turned out pretty well. And so it just delivers a weightless, fresh look. Does do that. It looks really nice, guys. Like, I keep looking at myself because my makeup is just, it looks really good. So it blurs any imperfections like discoloration and unevenness without caking or masking the skin's natural radiance. Has a seamless application, easy to blend, leaves the skin with a perfected looking complexion, and it is free of flashback and oxidation. So if you're not familiar with these types of videos, I like to do 8-hour wear tests, and I do a swatch and application. I did swatch both colors, so you'll see that in the next clip. So we're gonna do this demo, and then we're going to do an 8-hour wear test, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what I look like at the end of the day and share my final thoughts. So the colors that I got were 510 and 540. If you look on the website, 510 and 540 look pretty similar in color, even though 540 is almost all the way to the end. I'm going to do a couple of face swatches, figure out which shade I really want to work with. 540 has, it looks like it has a little bit more orangey warm. 510 looks a little bit more neutral. I'm going to do a swatch of each foundation on my wrist, then I'm going to apply it on my face and see which one matches me best. Alright, well, a little bit just came out. I'm going to do one pump. And now I'm going to warm it up on my hand. This is actually 510. This is what 510 looks like. It's pretty decent. It's pretty dark. Darker than I thought. Alright, so here is 540 right here on the end. 540 is a lot lighter and a lot warmer. This is 540 and that's 510. Interesting. I think I'm going to go with 540. Color wise, I could get away with using both of these shades. I'm gonna go with 540. This is about 2 pumps. Okay guys, so here is 540 all the way blended out. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll see y'all. So guys, this is the finished look. I finished at around 11:30. So we are going to be doing this 8-hour wear test. So far, I think it looks pretty good. I don't know if it's the primers that I'm using, but I find the foundations that I have reviewed lately, it's very difficult to blend them out. Like, they dry really quickly. It does feel like a second skin, I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't feel like heavy or cakey. I have a full face of makeup on right now. It does not feel like anything. I'm also gonna insert the images that I took for the flash test. And I'll see you guys in 8 hours. Bye. I'm gonna take my glasses off so you can get a good look at this. I have not looked at myself all day, so I know I'm gonna have some indentation from wearing my glasses. I just want y'all to look at this. Everything else is intact and fine. My nose is out of control. I knew I was gonna get some indentation from wearing glasses, so that was expected. I'm just gonna dab some of this oil off. Alright, so I've dabbed most of the oil off, and now that I've dabbed it off, it doesn't look as bad. But the rest of my face is still intact. Don't even have any major creasing going on. It still feels very weightless. It feels good. Like, it doesn't feel heavy. You know how you get that heavy feeling where you're just itching to take off your makeup at the end of the day? I don't have that feeling right now. I can go wearing this makeup longer. Overall, that's all I really have to say. I don't know. I have to do some more testing on this one specifically, just because I've reviewed about 3 foundations so far. 3 new foundations that recently launched, and none of them have made me this greasy. Well, not now, but before I was not that greasy at the end of the day. So I think I'm gonna try a method that I have been working on to help control, and I will soon be sharing that method in a future video real soon because it works. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. I'm still Jenny from the block. Used to have a little, now I have a lot.